Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal on Roblox. Many players want to know the easiest way to get Robux, and PayPal offers a convenient and secure option. We will walk you through the entire process, from selecting your Robux package to completing the payment. This guide ensures you can quickly and safely enhance your Roblox experience. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Once there, locate the Robux section, usually found on the left-hand side menu. You will see various Robux packages, such as 400 Robux, 800 Robux, or even larger bundles. Select the amount that best suits your needs. After choosing, proceed to the checkout page where you will find PayPal listed among the payment options. After selecting PayPal, you will be securely redirected to the PayPal website. Here, you will need to log in using your PayPal email address and password. Once logged in, a summary of your Roblox purchase will be displayed, showing the amount of Robux and the total cost. Please take a moment to review all the details to ensure accuracy. Finally, confirm the payment, and you will be sent back to Roblox with your new Robux. For your safety, always use strong, unique passwords for both your Roblox and PayPal accounts. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, protecting your information from unauthorized access. Regularly check your PayPal transaction history to quickly spot any unfamiliar charges. If children are using the account, consider implementing parental controls or purchase limits to manage spending effectively. Staying vigilant helps ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.